Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. We're going to have a quick look at our coffee market. We've got a couple of systems to trade on track on coffee. One of them is PT10, which is our top system at the moment. You can see there coffee has been in a bearish, volatile phase for a number of months. It's recently gone sideways and the volatility's dropped out of the market. However, in the last couple of days we've seen an aggressive sell-off on coffee, and you can see that the volatility is picking up and we're back into our bearish trend. So what I've done is I've had a look at our coffee strategy PT10. Now most of you are tracking the original coffee PT10, but we do have a couple of traders who are using the end of day exits option, and the reason they're doing this is that it's reducing the risk obviously on coffee. Now the PT10 has been fantastic. It's been our best system so far. If we have a look at the performance report on PT10, you'll see that it's actually performed exceptionally well. Really big numbers: January 17,000, February 20, then 3 and 3 in March and April. May's been a little bit disappointing at 1165, but and this is the difference between overnight or holding overnight positions as opposed to end of day. So we're going to have a look at the end of day strategy here in a second, but you can see some really good numbers there. The performance report is excellent as well. 1.87 profit factor, 43k in total profit. The average trade net profit's a massive 171, so that's fantastic. The drawdown's a little bit higher at 7,200, but the traders who are trading this strategy coffee are using obviously a larger accounts. Now, for those traders who are trading PT10 but have built in the end of day exits, their profit isn't as large. So if we have a look at the overall profit on PT10 for end of day exits, it's only 32k, so it's 10k less. However, and the average trade net profit is a little bit lower at 110, but the significant difference here is the performance and consistency. Now you can see there that it's not bringing in as bigger numbers as our original PT10, but what's the advantage? The main advantage is that it's more consistent, because January 5, February 9, March 6, but April and May have both been winning months, and May has been really good, and as opposed to May on the original strategy where obviously we've had that sideways market, so it hasn't been as profitable as opposed to the end of day exit strategy, which I'm showing you now. So something to consider if you are tracking both systems or you're tracking PT10, have a look at the end of day exit option. One, it reduces obviously your risk, which is fantastic. That's what we want to see. We want to see traders reduce their risk, so their exposure in the market is a lot better as far as reward to risk as well. And we want to make sure that that we've got a more consistent approach obviously with our system. So something to consider for this week, and if you are tracking some swing trading strategies or intraday systems, you may want to have a look at the end of day exit as well. It can also help with margin as well. But again, the guys who are running PT10, who have been doing that for the last probably 12 or more weeks, have been very happy with the performance, but just something to consider moving forward. Thank you for your time. Have a fantastic day, and we'll catch you on the next update. Cheers.